Zero waste feels impossible in the kitchen, but I want to make every effort we can now to do it. We are starting with coffee. I think we can get to zero waste coffee routine, and I share with you in this video the first steps we've taken to do that. Not proud of it anymore. I would like to start taking small steps towards reducing our waste. So I'm starting with coffee. I'm not reducing my coffee intake. Welcome to the video. My name is Erica Lucas. I share videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays about minimalism and trying to live with less. We have a K-cup machine, and for years I have been doing this. I have been using K-cups. I recycle them when I think of it. Sometimes they end up in the trash bag, if I'm being honest. I have 3 of these a day, times a year. Do the math, it's more than 1,000. Toss in a couple for my husband every day. So it's too much, and we're gonna eliminate this part of our waste. My husband bought K-cup dispensers, holders, whatever they are, like 2 years ago, and I just don't use them. And now I'm going to actively make a choice to start using them instead of just going with whatever's on sale in the K-cup aisle. Vacation last week, I took the kids to Norfolk Botanical Gardens, and the trash cans looked like this. You can see you had to choose between recycling an option or choosing to put it in the landfill. I felt like that trash can was tough talking me about my consumption, about my trash. It really got me thinking about what we are choosing to put into a landfill, what we are choosing to recycle, and what ways as minimalists on this journey we can use less and live and create less waste. I asked on the community page what you guys would do to take steps towards living with less waste and to reduce your consumption and just have less trash that you're putting on the street. When I consider the things that we are already doing, I switched from paper towels to microfiber cloths for cleaning. We already recycle. The Gnome Slice left a great comment on the community page about checking out the 7 R's of reducing your waste. Refuse, reduce, reuse, repair, recycle, regift, and rot, like compost.
Yeah, we could actually compost now because we've got the wall in the back of the yard. Get one of those 5-gallon composting drums and just put stuff in it and compost it. I don't know, I need to look into it because I don't know how to keep animals out of it. But like this animal.
Oh yeah, good call.
This one.
Well, let's figure that out at the new house. I would like to start composting.
Yeah, depends on the yard we have.
I'm looking forward to this and learning more about sustainability practices, better decision making that we can do about our waste and lowering it and lowering our impact in the landfills. So please educate me below about the 7 R's, about reducing waste. Guide me through this as you have guided me through decluttering and minimalism. I love this channel because we're on these journeys together and I've learned so much from you guys. So please share your knowledge with me about this topic and help me make good decisions for my family about reducing our waste. What I want to be able to do is try to extend their usage, not by reusing them, but by using the coffee grounds in the garden. And if you combine coffee grounds with a coconut oil, you can also use it as an exfoliant body scrub. So just trying to get a little bit more out of it that doesn't affect the plastic usage or purchase or putting it in the trash can for recycling. So one thing that I struggled with on this decision was buying coffee, whole bean or grounds inside packaging that needed to also be recycled. I wanted to be able to take a jar to a store, fill it with beans, not use packaging, bring it home, grind it, and have coffee at home. I wanted to be able to eliminate the packaging involved with coffee purchasing. I couldn't do it. The grocery stores and the coffee shops around us are not doing that anymore because of COVID-19. They are restricting the ability to just come in and get beans. So you have to use their packaging and buy their packaging, which is a plastic bag at the coffee shop, or at Whole Foods, you can use an 100% recyclable brown bag that they have. I've ordered coffee from Ethical Bean Company. I just liked their sustainability promise. I liked their fair trade agreement. And on every single package of Ethical Bean coffee that you buy, there's a QR code that you can scan and see exactly where the beans came from and the entire process that they went through getting to you in that package. So I have to make my peace with buying packaging for coffee. I think when you go down this path of minimalism and you figure out how subjective it is and what it means to you, you start to question other areas of your life, and it starts to affect other areas of your life. So it's affected money, health, and now it's affecting our waste and the way that I think about what our contribution is to the landfill and how I can reduce it. I started putting together a coffee bar on our counter. Here, I'll show you. It's too busy. It's too many things. I asked your feedback on the community page and you agreed. Too many things. My husband agreed too. So what I'm gonna do now is resituate this so that we have less going on here. Somebody had suggested moving the coffee machine in front of the outlet. Oh yeah, a little less unsightly. I do want to say thank you for not beating me up in the comments about my usage of K-cups in the past. I have shared on many videos as a kickoff to my morning, little coffee button and my K-cup usage, and you guys have not ripped me apart in the comments for that. I thank you. I love these. Doesn't belong. I have 3 of these spoon rests. I tend to do this. My husband doesn't like that. So, got spoon rests. Okay, so there's the coffee bar. Still too busy. Too many messages. There's words here. There's words here and here, here, and here. Okay, too many messages. Let's try again. Missing mugs. Watch this playlist next. It's all about the kitchen and how we journeyed from being hoarders, well, me being a hoarder, to a minimalist.